I'll show you how you can change your address on the DT bank account. First off, from the UI here, you will have to go on the left-hand side and on personal, you'll see immediately that there is a option to change the address. Pick on that. After that, you will have to pick on which business you want to change the contact information to. So on my case, it'll be a small business, the small business section, right? And then after that, just click on next. But make sure the info on the screen right now is correct. So right now the info is like Mr. Easy Web 123 Main Street 123, and then the home phone and the business phone and then the email as well. It's all just like that, right? So make sure all of your info is correct. After you click on next, this is what you will see here, right? Now you're actually gonna change the address. So right now my home address is 123 Main Street. Now you can see on the new address there's a input box right there. Now change it to what you actually want. So for example, on this picture right here, I'm changing it from 123 to 321 Main Street. And then on the other one, I'm changing it a little as well. You can see in the phone number, I'm changing it as well. Now, once you're ready, once you already changed all of it, click on Save Changes. And then that's it. Your address has been changed and modified. Now you can see on the results, it's still being processed. So it might take a little bit, but after it's done, you'll receive a confirmation that your request has been submitted. After that, you're done. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.